Ståndsketti Lentävänniemi.
Yeah, today it's the 30th of September 2021. We have Männistön.
I think Männistön.
Yeah, Männistönkuja trace tickets be here in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Tampere, Finland, where the Tampere light rail is being extended to by 2024. It was also built in 1971. It's only 50 years old this year, in 2021. The number is H25098. Capacity is 4 persons, 20 grams, and we're expecting in 2023. So far, here. Also making some creaky noises, just like in the CKCA.
Yeah.
But that's sort of the charm of it, as long as it's working as it should be.
Yeah.
Because there's nothing, I mean, it's working fine.
Yeah.
Okay, it's used as the ground floor here, but there is also a basement floor in this TXT, but the elevator doesn't go down there.
Yeah. Respektiittaakin vain, me eteenpäin on.
Yeah. That's why it's still working fine, because it's maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
With a worse maintenance, this maybe would have been modernized or replaced. This is despite the creaky noises.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the rest of the places here. There are 7 of them here.
Yeah. That's...
The occupied lamp is working, but it's
Yeah.
the wrong kind of LED. It's
Yeah.
like a yellow LED here.
That's